the secrets behind Tesla's no advertising strategy. Tesla is one of the few global brands that has achieved massive recognition without spending money on traditional advertising. While other companies invest millions in commercials and billboards, Tesla focuses on product quality, innovation, and emotional connection with its audience. Hello, I am Vlad, a marketer with more than 10 years of experience and the founder of the Unix agency. In this video, we will go in to break down why Tesla doesn't spend a single dollar on advertising and how they still manage to have one of the most powerful brands in the world. By the end of this video, you will see that real marketing isn't about money, it's about ideas, emotion and purpose. So stick around till the end, because you will walk away with the practical insights you can apply to your own brand, starting today. Stage number 1. Building a strong product. Let's be honest, most companies throw millions into ads trying to convince people to buy, but Tesla, they flipped this script. Instead of wasting money on commercials, they spend it on making their cars mind-blowing. Every detail, the design, the speed, the technology makes you go, wow, this feels like the future. Tesla doesn't need billboards when their customers become the billboards. Think about it. When someone drives a Tesla, people turn their heads, ask questions, film it for TikTok. That's free advertising right there. And Elon Musk's mindset is simple. If the product is really good, it will sell itself. That's the key takeaway. Don't rush to sell. Build something worth talking about. When your product truly solves a problem and excites people, marketing becomes effortless. So now that we have seen how Tesla builds a product so good, it basically sells itself, let's talk about the next secret weapon, Elon Musk's personal brand. He's not just the CEO, he's the face, the voice, and sometimes the chaos that keeps Tesla in the spotlight. Let's dive into how he turns every tweet, interview, and bold move into marketing gold. Stage number 2. Using Elon Musk's personal brand. Let's talk about the man behind the madness, Elon Musk. Most CEOs hide behind press releases and PR teams, but not this guy. Elon is the brand. He's funny, unpredictable, and sometimes even chaotic, but that's exactly why people cannot stop watching him. Whether you love him or hate him, you got to admit, when Musk speaks, the world listens. Every time he tweets on x.com, it becomes news. One random post from him can send Tesla's stock soaring or crashing, and guess what? It's still free advertising. Millions of people see the Tesla name on their feeds every single day without the company spending a cent. While other brands are paying agencies for attention, Elon just opens his phone and instantly gets global coverage. But it's not just about the tweets. Musk built a story of a man trying to change the world. Electric cars, rockets, solar power, everything he does connects to a bigger mission, making life better for humanity. And that's powerful, because people don't just buy Tesla cars, they buy into that vision of the future. Here's the lesson. If you are building a business, don't be afraid to show your face. People connect with people, not logos. Be real, share your story, talk about your mission. Elon turned himself into an ultimate marketing machine just by being authentic, passionate, and a little bit crazy. And that's exactly what makes Tesla impossible to ignore. Now that we have explored how Elon Musk himself drives Tesla brand, the next piece of the puzzle is the community of the fans he's helped create. These aren't just customers, they are passionate ambassadors who share their experiences, spread the word, and keep the Tesla movement growing on its own. Stage 3. Building a community of fans. Tesla didn't just build a company, they built a movement. When someone buys a Tesla, they don't just get a car, they join a community. Owners are proud to show it off, post about it, and tell their friends. You got to try this. It's not marketing, it's excitement. And that excitement spreads faster than any ad ever could. Scroll through social media and you'll see it everywhere. Tesla fans sharing videos of new features, road trips, or funny moments with autopilot. Some even create YouTube channels just to talk about their cars. On top of that, Tesla knows how to create hype before launch. They announce new models or updates and open pre-orders, generating huge anticipation and long waiting lists. That combination of fan passion and strategic buzz makes every release feel like a global event. The best part, this community keeps growing by itself. Every new owner becomes another voice spreading the word. Not because they are paid to, but because they genuinely love the product. And when really people promote something they believe in, others listen. That's what makes word of mouth the most powerful form of marketing in the world. So here is the takeaway. Don't just build a customer base. Build a fan base. Give people something they are proud to be the part of. When your audience feels like they belong to your mission, they will promote you without even being asked. Tesla doesn't just sell cars, they sell belonging through cause and the feeling of being the part of the future. With such a passionate community spreading the word, Tesla takes things even further by creating viral PR moments. These are the bold, headline-grabbing stunts that get everyone talking, from the Cybertruck reveal to a Tesla Roadster in space, and they generate massive attention without spending a dime on traditional ads. Stage number 4. Creating viral PR moments. Tesla doesn't need commercials. They create moments the world cannot stop talking about. Instead of spending millions of TV ads, they pull off wild stunts that explode across the internet. Remember the Cybertruck reveal? Elon throws a metal ball at the unbreakable window and it shatters. Everyone was shocked. Memes went viral and Tesla got millions of dollars worth of free publicity overnight. Total genius. Then there is the time Elon launched a Tesla Roadster into space. Think about that. Who else sends a car orbiting the Earth just for fun? That single act made headlines in every country and turned Tesla into a global symbol of innovation and boldness. It wasn't just a marketing move, it was a statement. We dream big, and we actually do it. Even Tesla's autopilot tests make waves online. Videos of cars driving themselves spread everywhere, sparking debates, reactions, and curiosity. Whether people love it or criticize it, they're still talking about it. And that's the whole point. Tesla doesn't chase attention. They create stories that demand attention. Here is the lesson. You don't always need ads. Sometimes you just need a moment that makes people stop scrolling. Be bold. Do something unexpected. Something people cannot ignore. That's how Tesla keeps dominating headlines without spending a single dollar on traditional marketing. Want more videos like this? Like this video, write comments, and subscribe to my channel. Stage number 5. Lesson for entrepreneurs. Tesla isn't just changing the car industry, it's rewriting the rules of business. Their approach is packed with the lessons every entrepreneur should pay attention to. First, stop throwing money at ads and start investing in quality. If your product actually solves a problem and makes people's lives better, you won't need to chase customers. They'll come to you. The best marketing is still a great product. Second, build a personal brand. People don't connect with the faceless companies, they connect with the real humans. Elon Musk became the face of Tesla because he shares his story, his vision, and even his failures. That kind of honesty builds trust, and trust sells. Third, focus on community, not just customers. Get people involved in your journey. Listen to them, learn from them, and let them feel like they are part of something bigger. When people believe in your mission, they'll promote it for you. Fourth, use social media and storytelling the way Tesla does, with authenticity. Share your wins, your mistakes, and your progress. People love following real stories, not perfect ones. And finally, sell emotions, not just products. Tesla doesn't just sell cars, it sells the feeling of being part of the future. Find the emotional spark in your own business. When people feel something from your brand, they will never forget it. The key takeaway is simple. Real marketing doesn't start with an ad budget. It starts with an idea that inspires. Anyone can pay for clicks or views, but you cannot buy genuine excitement that comes from the passion, vision, and purpose. If your product is built with the heart, if it solves a real problem and makes people's lives better, it won't need to scream for attention. People will notice. They will talk about it, share it, and become your best promoters. That's how great brands grow. Not through noise, but through meaning. And hey, if you haven't seen my last video yet, go check it out. I break down how to make money online, unique ways revealed. No fluff, just real tips you can use right now. Click on it, give it a watch, you will love it. See you soon. Bye.